Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about how to avoid cyberbullying. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. How to avoid cyberbullying. Avoiding cyberbullying involves taking proactive steps to protect yourself online and promoting a respectful and positive digital environment. Here are some tips to help you avoid cyberbullying. Number 1, guard your personal information. Be cautious about sharing personal details such as your full name, address, phone number, or school online. Restrict access to sensitive information to trust friends and family only. Number 2, choose strong passwords. Create strong and unique passwords for all your online accounts and avoid using easily usable information like your birth date or pet's name. Number 3, be cautious with social media. Adjust your privacy settings on social media platforms to control who can see your posts and interact with you. Only accept friends follow requests from people you know in real life. 4. Think before you post. Be mindful of what you share online as it can have unintended consequences. Once something is posted, it's challenging to completely remove it from the internet. Number 5, report and block. If you encounter cyberbullying or any inappropriate behavior, report it to the respective platform or website. Most platforms have mechanisms to reporting such incidents. Additionally, block the individuals involved to prevent further contact. Number 6, educate yourself about privacy and security. Stay informed about the latest online privacy and security practices. Understand how to set strong privacy settings on various platforms and regularly review and update them. Number 7, don't retaliate. Responding to cyberbullying with aggression can escalate the situation further. Avoid engaging with the bullies as it can give them the attention they seek. 8. Talk to someone you trust. If you experience cyberbullying, don't keep it to yourself. Speak to someone you trust, such as parent, teacher, or friend, about what's happening. They can provide support and help you deal with the situation. 9. Encourage a positive online culture. Promote kindness and respect online. Stand up against cyberbullying when you see it happening to others and encourage others to do the same. Number 10. Use privacy tools. Some social media platforms and communication apps offer features that allow you to control who can contact you and who can see your posts. Familiarize yourself with these tools and utilize them as needed. Remember, cyberbullying is unacceptable and everyone has the right to a safe online experience. By following these steps in promoting a positive online culture, you can reduce the risk of encountering cyberbullying and create a better internet environment for everyone. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on how to avoid cyberbullying. A very informative report. No? I hope that you like it and learn something new. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.